Good morning. I'm really not sure about my hair today. I'm gonna do my makeup and just hope that the vision will start to come through, and maybe the more I look at it, the more I will like it. I don't know. Anyway, how are you? Good morning. Welcome to morning. Just gonna get ready, talk about my day. It's not as warm today as it was yesterday. So yesterday I had a whole nice summery. It was so nice and warm, but that ain't the case. So anyways, so yesterday, which was the last daily vlog thing, I was saying about how this necklace I have, I always forget about it and get in the shower and then it tarnishes, and it was the second one that I'd bought, or maybe even third, to be honest. The second one I think that I bought was because I'd ruined it with tarnishing in the shower. And so I decided to look, because I got it from Lavisa and they have a waterproof section. And so I went to look at the waterproof section hoping that maybe they would have a pendant or something that means I could just keep it on all the time. And they didn't, to be honest. The waterproof section is like, it's all really dainty stuff, which is cute, but it's not really very me. I like having a big pendant like this. I guess it's not huge, but yeah. And then, so then I looked at this and it was on offer. It was reduced from £15 to £3. So obviously, how could I say no to that? So I whipped it off that shelf so quick. So that was lucky. And then I got a microphone, a wireless microphone yesterday. So we're testing that out in this video today. Here it is, if you noticed it or not. But so far so good. I like how literally it's so small. And there's a dial on it that means that you can turn up the gain, which obviously I don't need to do, but like maybe if we're out and about. So at some point we'll try it, I think this weekend. I'm gonna make a video this weekend because I have holiday prep, getting my hair done, getting braids, and then getting my nails done as well, because I'm on holiday in 15 days or something. So, and if you ever got braids before, you know that sometimes they're like, well, actually all the time. When you first get them done, they're really tight. So I wanted them to wear in for a week before I went abroad, because I was not in the mood to have a tight scalp in the sun. So I wonder if we should do some nose contour today. Why the hell not? Look at that, full coverage. I've got a little bit of a tan at the moment, so it's kind of not the right shade, but it's okay. I just blend it with bronzer and then it brings it back. I think I've lost 3 inches off my waist. I think it depends. I don't know how, I don't know how tight you should close the tape measure thing when you're measuring that. I'm gonna try this out. Every time I use this though, it's probably a bad idea, because every time I use this is the Elf Bronzer and Contour Camo Liquid. Every time I use it, it's not a product issue, it's a skill issue. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm new to this world of contouring my nose. I contour my face, but I don't really be knowing how to contour my nose, to be honest. So I usually do it with my bronzer, but I feel like my bronzer is too much of an orangey shade. Do you ever just get flashbacks from COVID and the pandemic and how wild it was, like, allowed outside and stuff? Because that's what just happened to me whilst I was doing that. What? I can't believe that was a thing. You couldn't go outside, you were only allowed outside once a day. And like, I don't know about everywhere else, but like here, you were being checked up on. You were being checked on, that you were only out for your one. And I'm like, how are you gonna verify this? Like, this is ridiculous. How do you know? And you were allowed out if you were a single person household, which at the time I was. I'm like, but how do you know? I'm not just saying that. I was never asked, luckily, but I just mean, how would you know? But like, that was actually such a crazy time. I wonder if every generation has something like that. And it's just something that happens, not necessarily a pandemic, but I feel like parents always have stories of like, oh yeah, this happened, that happened. And maybe this is just our version, because I honestly feel like there's gonna be another thing, probably. Is that good? I feel like that might be good. I feel like I might have actually ate up that nose contour just then. I just have to do the highlights. No, sorry, my dog's in here and he's about to fuck up all my clothes. I got all my clothes on the floor because I didn't want to. I put them all on the floor so that it would be easy to hang them up, and then obviously they still haven't been hung up, so they're just in a giant pile on the floor instead. But they're organized. It doesn't look a mess anymore, and I think that's probably what stops me from actually sorting them out. I think that eats. I think it's cute. I don't feel like I overdid it. Also, I got my jeans back. Oh my god, they're perfect. I'll show you them because I'm going to show you my outfit. I'm I'm wearing them today purely out of the novelty of the fact that literally they fit me perfectly, and they have never fit me perfectly, not even the day I got them. So I'm really excited about that, and that's gonna be the new thing. If you struggle with jeans, honestly get them tailored because it wasn't even expensive, and you have to do it once and then the jeans fit you perfectly. And it now means I feel like I could buy any jeans. I feel like I could buy any jeans because all I have to do is make sure they fit my legs. Just get the waist taken in. So I feel like my whole horizons have been opened up because I haven't been able to do that before. Oh my God, I don't believe it. So what do you think of my hair? Honestly, because I don't know what it is about it. I'm just not sure about it. But I don't know what it is. I don't know if it seems like it's too black. It's super jet black. And I feel like, I don't know. But that's why I'm doing my makeup with the hair down and everything, because I feel like I can get the best look as I'm doing my makeup, you know what I mean? I'm doing black eyeliner. I usually do brown, but because of the jet black hair, I feel like it makes sense. Ooh. I bought a wide angle lens. Also, I like doing little marks. Tell you more on my face, so I don't know if I should do this one here. I don't even know if you can see that. You can see it in person, but whatever. What was I saying though? Happier than us these days. I don't know how to talk to you. I love this makeup. I just feel like it's so easy. Don't you find doing makeup really therapeutic? Because I do. I'm going for dinner this weekend and I just can't wait to get ready. It's the getting ready part that I'm like, well, it's all of it. It's obviously the dinner as well, but getting ready is just so fun. Just seeing something come together and feeling cute. That's the vibe. But when I get ready for anything, I feel like that's half the fun, especially if it's a bottomless brunch or something. I'm literally like, oh my God, all the fun has been had. Like, let's go out, but honestly, I had the most fun just getting ready. I don't know how to talk to you. Feeling cute, mascara. I don't usually do eyeliner, to be fair. I bought this brown eyeliner, but it dries down and it's basically black, so I don't bother using it because I wanted like a brown liquid eyeliner that's clearly brown. But I did find one, but it was so expensive. Well, it wasn't that expensive, but like, considering I don't wear eyeliner most of the time, it couldn't justify it. It was from Benefit. It was really nice, but it was like £22, and I was like, girl, you don't even be wearing eyeliner like that. Let's not. Yeah. Why does mascara always go right on one eye and weird on the other? At least that's what happens to me every time. But mascara's done. I'm gonna get my highlight on with my Naked palette that I always end up using. If I could just have this shade and consistency in a highlighter, that would be great. Because I feel like it's really it's not glittery, it's just reflective, and that's what I like about it. I feel like we should do a bit of, I've got bronzer on, but should we do a bit of blush? As soon as I put blush on, I feel like I got a full face of makeup on. Or I do have a full face makeup on, but it doesn't feel like it until I put blush on. Because now I'm like, now you do have everything on. There you go, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Everybody relax. Don't overdo it now. But yeah, that's it, I guess. I'm just gonna do gloss. Nail lip liner, just gloss. I think that's cute. I think I ate with the nose contour today. But you guys, you gotta check it in real life because this is real life, but it's not real lighting. But I think that it's subtle enough that it's cute. I think it's okay. Just don't overthink it. Live your life, babes. Man, I want more mascara on my other eye, but now I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up. I'm gonna do a whole maintenance vlog before the holiday because I need to do things like putting my lashes on. I went into Miniso and they do lashes in there and I didn't know that, and they were so cheap. I was so impressed. I was so impressed. So I got like a pair of £3 lashes. They're here actually. Look how cute those are. And they were £3. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on with Lashify so they stay on all week. And then I'll probably will end up taking them off because I'll wanna go in the pool and stuff and like, they aren't gonna look cute day after day, but that's okay. I might get another pair and then I can bring that pair with me, to be fair. So, next up is jewelry. What kind of jewelry are we feeling today? These are my favorite ones. Let's just do these today, keep it simple. I've just noticed that I haven't done my eyebrows, but honestly, I feel like they don't even really need it. I feel like it's adding to the minimal effort makeup vibe. So I feel like it's cute. Put my watch on, and then let's do outfit. Let me show you my outfit. It's not warm today, like I said. Yesterday it was warm. Today is not supposed to be as warm. So I'm dressed accordingly. Fun girl. All right, so this is my outfit. The top is Urban Outfitters. These are the jeans I was telling you about. But you look how perfectly they fit. Never do I have jeans that aren't baggy at the back, but they've been tailored, so they're perfect. But these are my favorite jeans. These are from H&M. I feel like they're still selling them. I actually got these years ago and they stopped selling them, but I've been in recently and I feel like they're back. I love these. And then I'm just gonna wear my filets. These are my £40 go-to white shoes. They're just cute. Gonna wear those. It's like that awkward weather. I have a coat. This coat would go perfectly with this outfit, but also I'll probably end up being too warm. But then I don't know if I'm gonna be too cold wearing just this. So this is the makeup I did. I really don't know about this hair. It's freaking me out. I don't have time to do anything really. I just don't know if I like it, but then I don't know if I want to spend a day like this if I don't like my hair. But I don't know what the problem is and I don't know how I would even fix it. But I'm like, will it grow on me if I don't know. I really don't know. What do you think? I think that the thing is that I'm trying to do as well is like see myself as if I was someone else, because I think it's because I'm looking at me and I'm not used to looking like this. So maybe I'm being extra critical because I don't know. But then I try and look at myself, well, what if you didn't know you and you just saw you on the street? If I saw me on the street, what would I think? Would I be like, that hair looks fucking weird? Probably not. I would probably just be like, damn girl, okay girl, slick. But it's just super jet black. I wish it was more like slightly brown. And I don't want to play with it too much because what if I fuck it up? I need some scissors. Okay, I just cut some fringe. But there's a bunch of flyaways and I don't care that much to like cut her. I'll just cut it. Just want to meet you everything. Anyways, that's the full look. I'm gonna head off. The bag kind of doesn't go because I don't have anything brown on, but fuck it. It's got everything, it's got my whole life in it, so I'll be wearing it. But this is the whole look with white trainers as well. So thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one. I love you. Bye.